Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt your knees protest? Or maybe you've noticed that walking up the stairs isn't as easy as it used to be? You're not alone. After 60, our legs need a little extra love, but here's the good news. It's never too late to build strength, stability, and confidence in every step you take. And today, we're talking about 5 essential exercises for stronger legs after 60. These moves aren't about lifting heavy weights or running marathons. They're simple, effective, and designed to keep you moving with ease. Whether you're gardening, playing with grandkids, or just enjoying a walk in the park, stronger legs mean more freedom and less worry. Now, before we dive in, let me ask you, what's one thing you'd love to do if your legs felt stronger? Hold on to that thought, because by the end of this video, you'll be one step closer to making it happen. Exercise number 1. The sit to stand, chair squats. Let's start with a game changer, the sit to stand. This exercise is like a secret weapon for daily life. Think about how often you get up from a chair, the couch, or even the car. Now, imagine doing it with zero strain. That's the power of this move. Here's how to do it right. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. No armrests if possible, feet flat on the floor. Lean slightly forward, engage your core, and push through your heels to stand up. Then, slowly lower back down, no plopping. Aim for 8 to 10 reps, and remember, control is key. If you need to use your hands lightly at first, that's okay. Progress over perfection. Fun fact. A study found that adults who struggle to stand from a chair without using their hands are at higher risk for future mobility issues. But guess what? Just practicing this move can turn that around. Exercise number 2. Heel to toe walk, improving balance. Next up, the heel to toe walk. This one's a double win. It strengthens your legs and sharpens your balance. And let's be honest, good balance is like an insurance policy against falls. Picture yourself on a tightrope, but don't worry, we're keeping both feet on the ground. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe, and take slow, deliberate steps. Arms out to the sides for stability if needed. Try walking 10 steps forward, then turn around and do it again. Pro tip. If you're feeling wobbly, practice near a counter or wall for support. The goal isn't speed, it's steady, confident movement. Over time, you'll notice how much easier it feels to walk on uneven sidewalks or crowded spaces. Exercise number 3. Standing leg lifts, for hips and thighs. Now, let's wake up those hip muscles with standing leg lifts. Hips are the unsung heroes of leg strength. They keep us stable, help us climb stairs, and even prevent lower back pain. Hold onto a chair or counter for support. Keep your standing leg slightly bent, then lift the other leg out to the side, just a few inches. No need for big, dramatic movements. Squeeze your outer thigh as you lift, then lower slowly. Do 8 to 12 reps per leg. Fun challenge. Try lifting your leg just a little higher each week. You'll be amazed at how small progress adds up. Closing segment. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these exercises are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. Maybe it's the sit to stand because you want to get up from the couch without thinking twice. Or maybe the heel to toe walk because you've got a vacation coming up and want to explore with confidence. In part 2, we'll cover 2 more must-do leg exercises, including one that strengthens your calves. Hint: it's great for avoiding cramps. Plus, I'll share a quick tip to make these moves even more effective. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Remember, stronger legs aren't just about exercise. They're about living life on your terms. So give these a try, and let's keep moving forward together. Welcome back. If you've been practicing those first 3 leg exercises, the sit to stand, heel to toe walk, and standing leg lifts, give yourself a round of applause. Those moves are already helping you build a stronger foundation. But we're not stopping there. Today, we're adding 2 more game-changing exercises to your routine. Ones that'll boost your calf strength, support your joints, and keep you moving with confidence. Now, before we jump in, let me ask you, have you ever noticed your calves feeling tight or cramping up, especially at night? Well, our next exercise is like a secret weapon for that. Let's dive in. Exercise number 4. Calf raises, for power and circulation. Meet the calf raise, a simple move with big benefits. Strong calves aren't just for runners. They help pump blood back to your heart, reduce swelling in your legs, and make walking feel effortless. Here's how to do it safely. Hold onto a chair or wall for balance. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift your heels as high as you can, like you're peeking over a fence. Then, lower back down with control. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. Too easy? Try doing one leg at a time. Just remember, steady and controlled wins the race. Pro tip. If you're dealing with nighttime leg cramps, try doing calf raises during the day. Many of my clients say it's made a huge difference. Exercise number 5. Step-ups, for real-life strength. Last but not least, step-ups. Think about how often you climb stairs, step into the car, or get in and out of the bathtub. This exercise mimics those everyday movements, so you'll feel stronger where it counts. Use a low step or stair, about 4 to 6 inches high. Place one foot firmly on the step, push through your heel, and bring the other foot up. Then, lower back down slowly. Start with 5 to 8 reps per leg. Focus on form, no rushing. If balance is tricky, hold onto a railing or counter. Fun challenge. As this gets easier, try holding a small weight, like a water bottle, or slightly increasing the step height. But always prioritize stability over height. Closing segment. So, let's recap. You've now got 5 essential leg exercises in your toolkit. Sit to stands, heel to toe walks, standing leg lifts, calf raises, and step-ups. Together, they'll help you walk farther, stand taller, and tackle daily life with ease. In part 3, we'll put it all together. I'll share a 10-minute routine you can do at home, plus my number 1 tip for avoiding soreness. Hint: it's not what you think. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And tell me in the comments, which of these exercises felt the most challenging, and which felt surprisingly doable? Your journey inspires others, so let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep moving, keep believing in yourself, and remember, strong legs mean more adventures ahead.